Upon dissolution of any marriage in the initial start of the filing of the family law matter, I will look at 5 elements, which is chores and duties, finances, parenting, the romance of the couple, which would be vacations and church time, time together on dinner dates with other couples. But then also I would separate and bifurcate out their physical relationship. As I look at these 5 elements and I determine that there's no fault, then I would recommend generally a very fast divorce, although sometimes one party necessarily has more education and more money than the other. So there may be still a prolonged fight. But when you have a situation where you have fault-based divorce, which could be adultery or could be cruel treatment, then you'll look heavily at what's called the power and control wheel, which is very patriarchal in the sense that it's applied in a patriarchal relationship, although I've used it in same-sex relationships, and I've also used it in situations where you have a very career-minded woman, and I've used it successfully both offensively and defensively with men and women in same-sex couples. So what you'll want to do is, if you have cruel treatment that is part of your family law matter, that cruel treatment may be in the form of protective orders, police being called out during the relationship, perhaps some charges, a bankruptcy, and you'll take these factors, which are intimidation, coercion and threats, male privilege, economic abuse, using children, minimizing, denying, blaming, isolation, and economic abuse, and you will attempt to apply these elements that make up this wheel to your case to explain your story to the fact finder, which would be a judge or jury, both for your property rights, but then also for decision making for your children.